Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for soil forming PHP web application. Now let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel, start the MySQL database and Apache web server. Next open the Visual Studio Code and then explore the soil folder and then click the readme text. Here you can see the login details and project URL. Copy the localhost PHP MyAdmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can able to see the backend database table. Click the table name, you can view the data. For Windows user, open the XAMPP control panel, start the Apache and MySQL, then click the MySQL admin, it will promote you to the web browser. Then you can view the backend database table. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Then explore the web folder, you can see the project delivery files. And then explore the JS, here you can see the AngularJS files. Click the file name, then you can view the source code. And then click the HTML file, you can view the HTML source code. And then click the readme text, copy the project URL and paste to the browser. So here we have two roles, admin and user. Let's start with the admin. So enter the admin email ID and password, then click the login button. So login successful. Here we have several models. Here you can create a soil and then add a crop details and then create a distribution centers and then view all of that and then view your profile details. So let's start with the create soil. Click the create soil. Here you can enter the soil type and then click the submit button. It will be created. Whatever has been created, you can view the update soil. If you want to update or delete it, you can do it here. Here you can select the type and then click the submit button. It will be updated. And then click the add soil. Here you can create the crop. Select the soil type and then select the water supply and then enter the crop name and then enter the crop description and then enter the process and then enter the subcrop and then subcrop description. Once you do that, click the submit button. It will be created. Whatever has been created, you can view the soil details. If you want to update or delete it, you can do it here. And then click the distribution center. Here you can enter all the fields for creating a distribution center. First select the type and then enter the crop name or seed name and then enter the location and then enter the address. Once you do that, click the submit button. So it will be created. Whatever has been created, you can view here. If you want to update or delete anything, you can do it here. Then click the my profile. Here you can view the profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. Next, move to the user. Before you log in, you have to register. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Enter the name and then enter the email ID and then enter the password, mobile number, and then select the gender, and then enter the address, and then enter the answers. Once you do that, click the register button. The password must be in 8 digits. It must contain one capital letter, one special character, and then numbers. So registered successfully. Next, log in the user. Enter the user email ID and password, then click the login button. Login successful. Here we have 3 models. Here you can view the soil details and then distribution center and then profile details. Let's start with the view soil details. Here you can using the search option, or you can select the type, then view the details, or you can select the water supply, so view the details, and then click the distribution center. Here you can search the distribution center, and then click the my profile. Here you can view the profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a soil farming PHP web application.
Code Shopping.